Alright, hi everyone. Today I will show you how to clean up your washing machine. If after a long time you using them and you found a lot of dirt stick on your clothes after washing your clothes, that means you haven't cleaned up your filter and the plate inside your washing machine. Alright, so come here. I got a Samsung washing machine. Alright, so even they have a took clean function, and I do it every 3 months, but it still doesn't work. My clothes still dirty and the dust still there every time I took my clothes out. So I got the top load washing machine, and there you go. So to solve that problem, you have to clean up two things. First, you need to clean up the filter right here, and the second, you need to clean up the blades like this. You need to take them out and you clean up the dust underneath. Alright, so I show you how to open it. So with the filter, very easy. So you just click them out like that, and then you take them out, and you see that with the filter, you will see, we open it and you will see, look, a lot of dirt in it. See that? The dirt. And also a lot of dirt here. You see that? You have to clean up the filter first. Alright? Second, you need to open the blades out. It's easy, no problems. So I open it. So you use a flat head screws. Gently open them like that. See that? And you will see that a lot of dust still stick down there. So we need to clean up this one, and also the dust straight down here. You see the dust right there? See that? So we need to take this bolt out. So take the blades out too. Alright? So I open it. It's very easy though. It's not hard. That's why we need to open and check up every year, but this year I'm a bit lazy, so I didn't do anything. See that? The dirt right there. And then that's why it makes your clothes dirty. And I just clean up a little bit like that for you guys. Hey, look, you will see how dirty they are. That's why after washing your clothes, these dirt come up and stick to your clothes. Alright, now we take the blades out. And don't be surprised. Okay. Don't be surprised. Ta-da! You see that? Plenty of dust around here. See that? A lot of dirt around. See? If you don't clean them up properly, these dirt will come up again through those little holes. And this makes your clothes dirty. And then so you have to look down again. You see that? Under there, a lot of dirt down here too. You see? A lot of dirt down here. So you just clean them up and your problem solved. Okay? So you will see how dirty they are down here. You see that? Oh my dear. See? A lot of dirt. So okay. So remember, you take them out, you clean up the filter. Alright, take all the dirt out. And also the blades. Take the blades out, clean up everything here. And remember, must be clean up down here too. You should clean up everything down here, clean them up. Everything down here. So all the dust gone and your clothes, and then on your clothes we Okay, so we clean them up. So on the dirt on the top here gone. You see all the dirt still there. So they are clean, alright? Because they have a little coal dye here too. So a lot of dirt right here. Oh my dear. Still a lot. So I think it took at least 30 minutes to clean up properly. Otherwise, those dirty sand will go up again. And this side I use the toothbrush for the small one. See that? It's everywhere now. So I need to use the toothbrush to do it. Okay, so after about 10 minutes, I try to clean up, and you will see that the blade absolutely different. See that? So I clean them up all right. See? So most of the dirt taken out. Okay, that is for the blades, and we also have a filter. So the filter is a bit easier. You just open that way. Okay, and then you will see the dirt around here. We just clean up on the dirt here. You come closer, you will see that's a lot of dirt right there. See, that's why they stuck on your clothes all the time. So we clean them up. Just use it. Clean them up that way. There we go. Okay. So the filter clean, the place clean, and then you remember we have the lid. Clean them up too. Clean everything up. Make them clean and clear. So no more dust, no more dirt. Alright? Alright. And the last one. Remember I told earlier, we need to clean them down here too. So we got two options. We can clean that by this. And then we use the damp cloth to wipe them off. Okay? So leave like that. And we can use the baby wipe. To clean them out. So I stole from my daughter. Huh. Doesn't matter. She doesn't know it. Here we go. And then yeah, clean, 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 clean. You can see, They are still a bit dirty, but that's on the best thing we can do. Okay, clean right down here too. Alright, and then we put them back. That's all, that's easy. Alright, now we put them back. The same way, we put the plate back in. Make sure they are sticking there. And put a little bowl down there. Make sure you do it properly, otherwise you may break the plate. Slowly and gently. No hurry, alright? No hurry. Alright. And again, the plate, the lid. Click. And the filter. Click. And then you close them. And that's all. All done. Alright. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this video will help a lot of people out there about the dirt. Why the dirt still on your clothes after washing your clothes with the washing machine, especially with the top load washing machine. And I think if they have the side load, I think this the same. You just looking for the filter and open the place out, and then you will find your problem so easily. Alright, thank you. Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year. Bye.